and significantly increase productivity. Businesses can benefit from reduced labor costs, improved operational efficiency, and potentially higher profits. However, this increased efficiency comes at a cost. As robots become more sophisticated and capable, they threaten to displace human workers, particularly in roles that involve routine or repetitive tasks. This job displacement could lead to increased unemployment, wage stagnation, and social unrest. The economic impact of widespread automation in the service sector is a significant concern that needs to be addressed.
Today's reality, tomorrow's possibilities, robots in action. Real-world examples of robots in service jobs are no longer confined to science fiction. Companies like Amazon are already using robots in their warehouses to automate order fulfillment. In Japan, robot-staffed hotels are becoming increasingly common, offering guests a unique and futuristic experience. In healthcare, surgical robots are assisting with complex procedures, improving precision and reducing recovery times. These examples demonstrate the tangible impact AI is already having on the service industry and offer a glimpse into a future where robots play an even more prominent role.
Navigating the future, adapting to an automated world. The rise of robots in the service industry is inevitable. As AI technology continues to advance, we need to adapt and prepare for a future where human workers may need to collaborate with or even compete against machines.
This requires a multifaceted approach, including investing in education and training programs that equip workers with the skills needed for the jobs of the future. Governments and businesses need to work together to create policies that address the potential economic consequences of automation, such as exploring ideas like universal basic income.
Moreover, it's crucial to foster a societal dialogue about the ethical implications of AI and ensure that these technologies are developed and deployed responsibly. The future of work in the age of AI is uncertain, but by embracing innovation, prioritizing education, and engaging in thoughtful dialogue, we can navigate this new frontier and create a future where both humans and robots can thrive.